G'day, I'm Wombat. Look, we're down at the home show. I want to take you for a bit of a cruise through Ecotown. It's getting quite busy, but come with me and we'll check out some of the exhibitors. Look, it wouldn't be an Ecotown without a tiny home. At the moment, they're pretty popular, so you want to come and check them out. Living in a tiny home would have to be better than living in a shipping container, because I used to do it. Trust me, it's pretty rough. We've got one here, but this one's full of all the information you need to know about becoming eco and sustainable. Over here, we've got Bamboo Products, which is an alternative to single-use plastic, and it's really amazing what these guys are creating. If you want to know where your green waste ends up, this is the kind of thing you need to come and check out. How are we doing, guys?
Good, mate. How are you?
Yeah, no worries. And that's what we end up with, a product, mulch-like product that you can use in the garden. And of course, it wouldn't be an Ecotown without some power. And this stuff's solar. Hey, guys. Next up, we've got hemp products. Might be a little different from the hemp product you've tried before, but definitely something worth having a look at. Because I mean, there's so many things that you can make from hemp, as you can see behind me. Plastic-free cleaning products. Well, you wouldn't be Ecotown if they weren't plastic-free, would you? Hello. If you're looking for some honey or want to know more about bees, come down and check this kind of thing out. Nice suit, mate. Got the kids with you? You can come down here and teach them about sustainability and going eco. Hey, Wombat!
Hey, Wombat, how you doing?
Guy looks familiar, doesn't he? All right, big trees, tiny houses. We've got it all going on down here in Ecotown, and it wouldn't be anything if you couldn't come along and learn about worm farming and composting. The girls are pretty busy, but I'll see if I can get their attention. Hey, guys! So that's it for Ecotown. The last thing we have, of course, is where we bring everyone down and get them up on the stage. All right, this is my end of town. Now, it mightn't look like much. I mean, there's no one in there at the moment, but that's for good reason. We haven't started the next thing. This is where I do all the free planning, and we get guys from Ecotown to come in and tell us about what they do. This is where all the information is handed out. But of course, my favourite feature is Home Show Grown, where I get to teach people how to grow vegetables at home. It's so simple. Anyone can do it. That's about all from Ecotown. Come on down and check it all out. We can't wait to see you.